Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. What do you see on the board? This is a seagull, maybe a baby seagull, and this is the mother seagull. We notice something on the beak of the mother seagull. To know more about it, let us explore the lesson His First Flight by Leanne O'Flaherty. This is a lesson or a story. This is all about a seagull. An interesting story. Wouldn't you like to know? Now when you look at this image, what do you think? Is it some fear within the young seagull or the mother seagull? We'll find out as we explore it a little more deeper. So this is a story about a seagull family. This mother seagull had 3-4 small baby seagulls. In that, all of them would fly, but this young seagull would be scared to fly. Just like any one of us, when we don't know something, we are scared to do, or we are scared to even put one step ahead to do that. Likewise, this baby seagull was finding it very difficult to give a start to fly. She is supposed to be flying, but she had no confidence in flying. Her mother tried a number of times, various ways to help her fly, but she never succeeded in doing so. So one day, the mother thought, I will play a trick. Just like any of our mothers played tricks to make us eat our food daily. Either they would give us something what we liked so that we ate our food in time, or sometimes just because they wanted us to study, they told that they will give us something to eat or some of our best toys that we wanted. This is how the parents of a human child also does. Likewise, we see here the mother of a seagull. Okay, seagull, she also tries to play a trick with her small little seagull. Now, what she tries, she picks up one small piece of fish, and she goes and sits beside this little seagull, trying to almost tempt her to eat. And this little seagull was so hungry that she did not think of anything but was almost about to reach the mother seagull to get that piece of fish. Now when she is almost trying to fly and take that fish to eat, she realizes she is no more on the ledge. This is the ledge. She is no more on the ledge, but she is almost about to fly and take the fish. And then that young little seagull understands that she had the capacity to fly, and once she realizes that she has the capacity to fly high, she simply soars up in the sky and enjoys flying. This is how the mother seagull finally succeeded in helping her baby seagull to fly in the sky. So, my dear students, what do you think? What is a lesson we have learned in this particular story? This story actually tells us that never to be scared. Even if you are scared, try to put your first step and you will be able to soar high in your lives. No matter what it is, no matter what difficult times come in your life, no matter what are your different choices, it could be a very difficult choice that you are making, but still you have to have that confidence in you. And we also learn one more thing, that when someone is not able to soar very high, when someone feels not very confident, we have to help that particular person in our own way to help them come out of their own timidity or their shy feelings or whatever, the feelings that doesn't help them to come out in their life. So this is how even here as we see the mother of the seagull tries, she doesn't give up. she continues, she tries, and finally she succeeds in fulfilling her desire of making her baby seagull fly. So this is all we learn about the story, His First Flight by Liam O'Flaherty. Thank you.